I'm at the cat house with the cats that are now belong to the landlord here. These are our free cats, courtesy of the tenant who was evicted. You can see this cat is very friendly. This is the mama cat. Wow, she really likes me. It's not nice. So I'm trying to take a nice video of her. She's a very friendly cat. You'll see she'll just come right up. Come here, kitty, kitty. So she's getting a nice pat now. There. This is a very happy cat. This is the mama cat. And she's a good little mom. She's a good cat. Look at this. She's very pretty. You want to make a purring sound? So everybody can hear you purr. Alright. Can you make a purring sound? Not used to being on camera? Yeah. Alright. Yeah, it's a very pretty cat. So I came to feed the cats today and give them some water. This is that cat's daughter. She's a little shyer. She's gonna come see me. Come, meow, meow. She's a bit shyer. Hi, kitty, kitty, kitty. Black cats are so hard to take a picture of. There's the two cats I have, big cats I have left. But what everybody really wants to see, of course, is the little kittens. So I'm going to take some pictures of these kittens. They are very cute little cats. Come here, cute little cats. There's like 4 little cats. Let's see. I don't even know what to call these guys. I think this little cat should be called N4. So that's a great name for a little cat.